So here's how you can easily customize your Apple Watch faces. It's super simple. You can do it in 3 steps, and you can use your own customized wallpaper. Let me show you how. So we're gonna start off by selecting a photo that you would like to use as your wallpaper. So go ahead and open your photos. I have a few ones already right here, so we're just going to select this one because this one is going to look really nice with the kaleidoscope effect. So to get the really cool kaleidoscope effect, you're going to tap share, and then you're going to scroll down and tap on create watch face. Super easy. So here you're going to have 3 options. Scroll to the bottom. Here you see kaleidoscope effect, and just tap on that. And there are a few more options, but go ahead and tap on this one at the end. It's called Rosette. This gives a really cool kaleidoscope effect. Take a look at this, guys. I've also did another one with the turtle effect. This one is really cool. Let's take a look to see what it looks like on the wrist. So if you want to change or edit the watch face, you can press and hold on it and swipe from left to right. Let me know if you want to see more customizations in the comments, and make sure you're following for more tips and tech.